So hello students, welcome to Learn with RP Sir MTech JU. My name is Rahul and today we are going to discuss two things. That first is how to convert a fraction into a percentage and how to convert a decimal into a percentage. So in the earlier classes we have learned how to convert percentages into fractions and how to convert percentages into decimals. Now we are going to learn how to convert a fraction or a decimal into percentage. Both we will cover in this class. So first we will learn how to convert fraction to percentage. How to convert fractions to percentage. So let us take a few questions for this. So first one, let us say 3/4 we will convert into percentage. Number 2, let us say 1/6. Number 3, let us say 5. And number 4, let us say 2 and 3/5. Now see, in case of percentage to fractions, what we have learned that if we divide the fraction by 100, then if we divide the percentage by 100, we can turn it into fraction. Why? Because percentage means out of 100. So in order to convert from percentage to fraction, from percent to fraction, what we have done? We have divided by 100. Okay. To convert from percentage to fraction, what we have done? We have divided by 100. So if it is the other way around, that means if we have to convert the fraction back into the percentage, then we have to do the reverse operation, right? That means multiply by 100. So if we want to convert from fractions to percentage, what is the way to do that? You need to multiply by 100, and that is what we are going to do with all of them. Okay, so that is the same strategy. So we are doing 3/4 times 100, and as soon as we do that, it becomes a percentage. So 3/4 times 100, so we know 4 times of 25 is equal to 100. So 3 times of 25 is 75%. This is the first answer. Then 1/6 times of 100. And as soon as we do that, it becomes the percentage. So now 6 times 2 times of 3. 2 times of 3, and here is 2 times of 50. So the answer becomes 50 by 3%, which you can convert it into mixed fraction. So mixed fraction is going to be 3 times 1, which is 3. Then there's 2, 20, 3 times 6, 18 and 2/3. This is the answer. For third one, in order to get to the percentage, we have to multiply by 100. So as soon as we do that, it becomes percentage. 5 times 100 is 500. So 5 is actually 500%. And for this one, so before we multiply by 100, let us convert it into a normal fraction. So what do we do in order to do that? We have to multiply 5 times 2, and then the result will be added with 3. So 5 times 2 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 divided by 5, and now times of 100 in order to convert it into percentage. So it will become 5 times of 20, 13 times of 2 is 26, and 260%. Okay, so same strategy will be followed for any fraction to be converted into percentage. All we need to do is we have to multiply by 100 and then simplify it. Okay, simplification is mandatory, otherwise the result that you will be getting is not a final result. For getting the final result, you have to simplify it. Is it clear? So you have to first multiply by 100 and then simplify the product in order to get the required percentage. So this is how we have to do fractions to percentage. Now we are going to learn how to convert decimals into percentage. So let us learn that. So converting decimals to percentages, this is our next part. So for converting decimal to percentages, let us take a few questions. So first one, 0.3. Second one, 0.06. Third one, 2.005. And fourth one, 3.2. Okay. So now let us come back to the to that particular moment where we converted percentages into decimal. Okay. So what did we do then? For converting percentage to decimal, for converting percent to decimal, what did we do? We took the decimal point two numbers to the left. Okay. So decimal point was taken two numbers to the left. Okay. Two numbers to the left, the decimal point was taken while converting the percent into decimal, if you remember. So now what we are going to do? We are going to do the absolute opposite. That means in order to convert from decimal to percent, what we are going to do? We are going to take the decimal point 2 units to the right. Now we are going to do this one. Two numbers to the right we are going to take. Okay. So this is actually the same as multiplying by 100 only. In decimal also we multiply by 100 and as a result the decimal point goes two numbers to the right. And in the previous case while we did percentage to decimal, we divided by 100 so that the decimal point goes 2 units to the left. So now here what happens? So we will be doing 0.3 times of 100 only, and for that reason you will get a percentage, and because of that the decimal point will go 2 units to the right. Now see, there is only 3, so why don't I make it 30? So that way it will be 2 units to the right and we will be getting 30%. Here also what we will do first, 0.06 times of 100. Now what it will do? 2 units to the right. See, 2 units to the right here, 2 units to the right here. So we will get 6%. Next here, 2.005 times of 100. Times of 100 ensures the percentage. Now 2 units to the right, so it will become 200.5%. And finally 3.2. So we can make it 3.20 so that we have two numbers after the decimal point. And now times 100 will ensure that it is in percentage. Now 2 units to the right, so it will become 320%. So this is how we convert the decimals to percent. So in this video, we have learned how to convert the fraction to percent and how to convert the decimal to percent. Next, we are going to learn the different other applications of percentages.